Absolutely crazy outside today. Incredibly windy. The wind is really frightening. It's so loud, and there is a lot of blowing snow. Better visibility today, but extremely cold. If you could avoid going out, I would.
It is for the safety of our operators. They've had basically one day off in the last 3 weeks, so we're concerned about fatigue, we're concerned about public safety as our foremost priority, so we want to make sure that our operators are very well rested and able to deal with the challenges.
So unless it was an emergency.